Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a really good method using website templates where you can make some pretty good money in selling templates online to people in a hot market that need these templates for their own purposes. Alright, well, if this sounds interesting to you, and it's all 100% free and it can be done from anywhere in the world. Alright, so if that's interesting, stick around. We're getting ready to get started on that video here right now. But first of all, before we do, I do want to come over here and invite people that are new to my videos. If this is your first time here to my videos or my channel, well, reach down there below your video and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the little notification bell there too, so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here on the channel for you guys to help you make some money online. All right, with that out of the way, also anytime during the video you're getting some value out of it, reach down there and crush that thumbs up button for me if you would. It'll help my channel and the YouTube algorithm. All right, thanks guys. Let's go ahead and get started on this. I'm sort of anxious to show this to you. It's a really easy way to make some money here on the internet, right from wherever you want to, actually. So we'll come over here to this site right here. Now, this site right here, you can see it like here, guys. It's called TemplateMonster. You can look at it and see it right up here in the address bar, guys. It's TemplateMonster.com, and what this site is website templates, plugins, and graphics digital marketplace, and people are selling these types of things on this site, and they are all kinds of, like, they have WordPress themes, HTML, Shopify, Commerce, PrestaShop, Joomla, PowerPoint, services, sale, and even support Ukraine if you want to, even on this site as well. You can see down through here that many people are selling different templates on this site and making some pretty good money here with this, selling website templates and graphics and things like that. You can see that they are making some good money here, guys. So I'm going to show you a method in this thing today where you can do this same thing right here on this site. So the first thing you want to do, you want to click on Start Selling up here, and then it'll walk you through signing up, and you can actually come over. You're going to have to come over here on this page, and then you're going to click on Become an Author, and it will walk you through signing up right here. It's really easy. You just want to make sure that the author is highlighted right here, and then you want to put in your email address and create a password. Now, you will get paid most likely through PayPal on this site, so you're going to want to have a PayPal account. All right, make sure that you have that and it's validated and ready to go. And create your password here, guys, and then you can check this if you want articles and freebies. Check the terms here. All you got to do is click create an account, or you can just sign up with your Facebook account or your Google account as well. Alrighty. After that, and you get signed in, and then you want to come back over and then get signed in, which I'm going to go ahead and get signed in on my account here so I can show you here some stuff. Once we get it all loaded up, yeah, and once you get signed in, after you get your account created and you get signed into this site, it brings you in sort of to like a back office right here, guys, where you got your dashboard, products, downloads, billing, reviews, and comments. This is you have a public profile, guys. This site is sort of like a social media site. There's a community kind of thing here on this site, and you probably want to get involved in on that. And then what you want to do is you're going to create these particular gigs. That you're going to do is you're going to be working with templates here. So I'll come back over here, and the templates that we're going to be working with, guys, if we come up here under all products, you see right here where my mouse is, it shows all the different products. I mean, there are just all kinds of products here: WordPress themes, presentations and graphics, plugins, 3D models, video, audio, even services, and even recommended hosting here. But what we're concentrating on today, so that you can make money on this site, is the graphics right here. And you want to come over here under templates on the graphics, and you come down here to where you see it says resume templates right here, guys. So if we click on that, you can see right here that there are people that are selling resume templates and making some pretty good money with them here. $13.10 a pop every sale, and $12 a pop, and so on and so forth. So what you're going to be doing is creating your little thing of uploading these resume templates on this site and setting your price and giving some description and so on and so forth about that product and you can then begin to sell these on here. In fact, it's recommended to put up as many as you can. Now, I can hear some of you now, you're probably saying, well, Kevin, I don't know how to create a resume template or anything like that. Well, stick around, because I've got you covered on that as well. And so then, yeah, once you do that and you get signed in to your account and you go to your back office here that it brought us to right here, and what you want to do is you want to click on products here, and this is where you will add your new resume product. But okay, now where are you going to get these resumes at, guys? Well, you're going to want to come over to this site right here. It's called Vista Create. If you look up here in the address bar, this is the address you want to come to. It's create.vista.com. Those three words, create.vista.com. And you come over here, and this site has a free or a paid, but the free, if I click on pricing here, guys, you can see that the free is $0, and you got over 75,000 particular templates that you can use. And the nice thing about this is you don't have to edit any of these templates. You just want to sell the template itself and let the customer do the editing in their program however they like. That's all you want to do is sell them. So you can do the pro if you want here at $10 a month, and so on and so forth. It's not necessary, guys. This site here it's sort of similar to like Canva, I guess, Canva.com. They have all kinds of things here. I mean, it just goes on and on and on, guys. Templates for everything that you can do, and you can create, make your designs as your business, and it's just a lot of neat things that you can get here. So what we're doing, though, we're over here on right here we want to do resume. So if I come back here and I type in, for example, resume templates, right? Okay, and you can see right here, guys, that it loads up hundreds and hundreds of these different resume templates, guys. And all you need to do is when you sign up here, which yes, you will need to sign up here on this site too, and you can also sign in with your Google, Facebook, or Apple, or Vistaprint account if you have that, or you can create a local account here. They may send you an email confirmation, so you probably just want to check that and then get it validated and come back. So anyways, you can see all these resumes, and all you want to do is download these resumes. You can click on it and you can download these resumes to your computer. And then once you do that, any of these resumes, in fact, it's probably good that you do them all, download all the resumes that you can, and put them up over here on this site right here, as you see these others are. Now, so let's just say, for example, you download one of these templates here. You just pick one and you want to download it to your computer, and then what you want to do is you want to come over and get logged in here if you're not already. Click on products here, guys, and then you're going to come down here to where it says add a new product right here, and then it brings you over to here, and we're going to select a product category, and we're just going to type in here resume. You see it comes up with printable resume templates right here, guys. Then you want to come over here and click on next right here, and then it will allow you to upload your resume that you downloaded off of createvista.com, right? Put your nickname in here. Just give yourself a good nickname for the site. Remember, I told you this is sort of like a social media type of site here. So give yourself a good nickname. Put your product name in there, whichever name you want to give it. You can create a name for what your resume template is that you chose off of here. And you can click the topic. You can choose a topic here, guys, and so on and so forth. I would put, maybe for resumes, I'd put in probably business and services. Put it into that category for resumes. You want to give a product a good description, which you can probably get that off of here. When you click on here, you can take the description from some of these other ones off the Vista Create site, and then bring it over, put your description in there, and then put some tags, relevant tags separated by comma, that you think people might type in, like resumes, business resumes, job resumes, any kind of resume. Put your tags in there so that they'll find yours on the TemplateMonster site. And then you can add images right here, main image, upload product images or whatever as you want, as you need it, or if you want to right here. Finish out the rest of this particular product application, if you will, here, and come on down, and once you get it done, you just click save, and upload, and that will upload your resume template to the site right here, and you'll begin to see yours listed right up in here as well. And then set your price. You set your price down here also. Yeah, product price. And they even tell you right here what it's good. TemplateMonster recommends in this category a price between $9 and $17, which would be good to start with. I would think if you were just starting this out, you might want to set it to like around $10. And you can see that some of these others they're all in that same price range. A couple of them a little bit higher, but most of them are within that price range, and you can do the same thing. And just for each product, that each resume you upload, you'll go through this particular application type thing right here, guys, and just save and upload, and do that over and over and over, getting your resumes that you downloaded off of this site all for free, and get them posted up there so people can see it and come over and purchase your resume. Now, what about this site? Is there a lot of traffic to this site, guys? Well, if I click on my similar web right here, guys, and we bring that out here, you can see we're on the TemplateMonster.com site here. And if I scroll up, you can see right here that the monthly visits on this site, guys, is 1.4 million people. So it's a lot of traffic. And if we scroll up a little higher, you can see that just most of it comes from the United States, but it's pretty even through India, Brazil, Turkey, even though Ukraine. People come to this site as well, guys. So it's got some good traffic. United States, top tier 1 traffic here, guys. So you're getting good traffic to the TemplateMonster site for your resumes that you upload, just like you see these other people have done here, and they're making money as well. As you can see, like this guy's had 416 sales of $10. So add that up. What is that? $4,000 roughly, something in that range. You can make some good money with this, guys. Just upload a whole bunch of resume templates after you put your description and fill out the form there, and get them up on this site and begin to make some money selling these resume templates on TemplateMonster.com, guys. Guys, that's the video I had for you today. If you like this particular method, it's a really good one, and you're happy about it, well, reach down there and crush that thumbs up button for me if you would. Don't forget to leave any comments or down there in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as possible. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell as well. And also, if you want to learn how to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer, well, you want to reach down there in the top of my description and click where it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and watch a free video presentation that'll show you how you can learn to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer, and you can even do that as well today also. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you in a couple of days or so here on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.